but all things should be done decently and in order. That's 1 Corinthians chapter 14, verse 40. And as the saying goes, a place for everything and everything in its place. Hi, I'm your friendly kitchen organizer, and today I want to share some simple ways to turn your kitchen chaos into calm, the way it should be. Let's start with the number one problem I see: cluttered countertops. If stuff is piling up, it's time to rethink what actually needs to live on your counters. My rule: only keep what you use every single day. Think coffee maker, toaster, or that cute jar of wooden spoons you reach for constantly. Everything else, it goes in a cabinet or drawer. Speaking of drawers, let's talk about those mystery junk drawers. You know the ones. First, dump everything out and sort it into categories: utensils, gadgets, random batteries. Add a drawer organizer or even small bins from the dollar store to divide and conquer. Suddenly, you can find what you need and get that drawer to actually close. Now, cabinets. Vertical space is your best friend. Install simple shelf risers or stackable shelves to double your storage. Lazy Susans, by the way, are a lifesaver for spices and condiments. No more digging in the back for that tiny bottle of oregano. Let's not forget the pantry. Transfer dry goods into clear labeled containers. Not only does it look super satisfying, but it also keeps food fresh and lets you see what you're running low on. And those wire racks or hanging organizers on the inside of your pantry door? Perfect for snacks, wraps, or spices. Now for my favorite quick fix: hooks. Stick-on hooks inside cabinet doors can hold measuring cups, oven mitts, or even pot lids. It's such a game changer for keeping things handy without adding clutter. And finally, give yourself grace. Organizing is a process, not a one-time event. Start small, tackle one area at a time, and celebrate your wins along the way. Remember, creating order in your kitchen isn't just about looks, it's about making your day smoother and your space a little more peaceful. So go ahead, take that first step. Your organized, happy kitchen is waiting.